Abacus Group are a team of property investment professionals who own and manage property portfolio of Australian real estate. Our goal is to create value through quality building enhancements and sustainable measures that focus on customer satisfaction and long-term results. Balancing sustainability with property value and tenant appeal is a big challenge for Australian commercial property managers. It is a space that's constantly evolving and something we prioritise in our decision making. As we were developing our building services strategy, we knew it was critical to engage with some partners who could help us make it happen. I've worked with Precise Air in the past and knew their advice would go a long way to helping us meet our objectives.
Our relationship with Abacus Group started with a couple of buildings in Sydney. We quickly recognised there was an opportunity to truly partner with them across their portfolio. So our optimisation team worked closely with their ESG and sustainability engineers to understand their net zero journey.
HVAC is one of the highest contributors to energy use and carbon emissions in a building. Any successful net zero strategy relies on energy efficient equipment, so it was logical for Fujitsu to be brought into the discussions very early in the piece.
Abacus Group is committed to implementing sustainable practices in its investments, property management, development activities and workplaces. We are also committed to managing our buildings efficiently to reduce costs and conserve the use of our limited natural resources. The Oasis was a shopping centre development that was built in 1989. We bought the asset in 2015 and we saw an opportunity to redevelop the asset because the landscape of retail had changed and the property itself was underutilised. We've also taken the opportunity to invest a fair bit of capital in the services part of the property, and that's where we've partnered with Fujitsu and Precise Air and invested in our mechanical upgrades. We're very pleased that by collaborating with Fujitsu during the engineering and specification stage has allowed us to select an environmentally friendly chiller. The new chiller utilises an eco-friendly refrigerant, which significantly reduces global warming potential compared to traditional refrigerants. The air-stage chillers by Fujitsu were a perfect fit for our needs, allowing us to meet our brief while minimising environmental impact.
Existing buildings using older chillers are faced with a variety of challenges and problems. The chillers here at Oasis Shopping Centre were starting to reach their end of life, which means they were using older technology and older refrigerants with higher global warming potential. Fujitsu General was successful as we understood the client's needs and because of our large range of chillers and refrigerants, which gave us some different options to look at to suffice the needs of the project. Ultimately, we locked in on the Turbo Core range utilising R513A refrigerant. In addition, the close partnership with Precise Air allowed for their engineering and contracting capabilities, coupled with Fujitsu General's product expertise and knowledge.
Together with the Abacus Group sustainability team, we are applying our mechanical engineering expertise to create clear and achievable strategies to help reach their sustainability commitments. By leveraging data analytics and IoT technologies, we're able to continuously monitor, report on, and improve building performance and the indoor air environment.
As we look to the future, data will be our greatest asset. Precise Air's data-driven maintenance strategies are instrumental in achieving sustainability goals. Overall, they elevate asset management, particularly around performance, occupant satisfaction, compliance, transparency, and improved financial outcomes. Our collaborative contracting approach with Abacus signifies a shift towards sustainability-driven outcomes in asset management. Abacus have the critical building blocks in place to continue to lift performance across their portfolio.
Anything that manages to reduce our impact and improve our awareness is what I'd call a success. The fact that we've managed to do this in collaboration with two other businesses is something that we can be proud of, and something that I hope continues to grow and become more prevalent in our projects. Because we can achieve great things working together, it's a future I look forward to.